How to make money with AI influencers. This video is brought to you by your digital consultants. If you need help growing your online presence or want digital products designed to help you build your business, visit w_w_your_digital_consultants_com http://w_w_your_digital_consultants_com www.yourdigitalconsultants.com. You'll find the link in the description below. And before we begin, protect your cars, homes, RVs, and generators with EMP Shield. EMP Shield offers protection designed for EMP events, solar flares, and lightning strikes. Visit www.empshield.com/jeb www.empshield.com/jeb w.empshield.com/jeb and use coupon code JEB. That link is also in the description. Now, let's talk about how you can make money with AI influencers. An AI influencer is a computer-generated character that can appear in images, videos, and social media content. Unlike a traditional influencer, you control the character's appearance, personality, niche, content, and brand message. The first step is choosing a profitable niche. Your AI influencer should focus on a specific audience instead of trying to appeal to everyone. Possible niches include fashion, fitness, travel, personal finance, gaming, beauty, technology, motivation, food, and business. Next, create a memorable character. Give your influencer a name, personality, background story, visual style, and consistent tone of voice. Decide who the character is, what they care about, and why people should follow them. Consistency helps the audience recognize and remember your influencer. You can use AI image tools to design the character, AI writing tools to create posts and scripts, and AI voice or video tools to bring the character to life. However, always review your content before publishing it. Keep the character's appearance and personality consistent, and clearly disclose when content or a personality is AI-generated. Once your AI influencer is ready, start building an audience. Choose one primary platform such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Post useful, entertaining, or inspiring content regularly. Create short videos, helpful tips, stories, product demonstrations, and behind-the-scenes content. So how does the AI influencer make money? The first method is affiliate marketing. Your influencer can recommend relevant products and receive a commission when someone purchases through an affiliate link. Only promote products that fit your niche and clearly disclose affiliate relationships. The second method is sponsored content. Once your influencer develops an engaged audience, businesses may pay for promotional posts, product mentions, or brand campaigns. You can also contact companies directly with a media kit explaining your audience, content, and services. The third method is selling digital products. Depending on your niche, you could sell ebooks, planners, templates, courses, prompt packs, checklists, or guides. Your AI influencer becomes the face of the brand and directs followers to your online store. The fourth method is creating content for businesses. Brands constantly need social media images, promotional videos, and product demonstrations. You can offer AI-powered content packages even if the content is published on the company's account instead of your own. You could also make money through memberships, advertising revenue, licensing your character, or selling merchandise once the brand becomes established. Remember, an attractive AI character alone is not enough. You need valuable content, a defined audience, a consistent posting schedule, and a clear offer. Focus on building trust instead of chasing quick followers. You should also respect copyright. Avoid copying real people without permission. Label AI-generated content when appropriate, and follow each platform's advertising and disclosure rules. AI influencers can become real digital businesses, but income is never guaranteed. Start with one character, one niche, one platform, and one monetization method. Test your content, study what your audience responds to, and improve as you grow. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to build an online business using AI. Don't forget to visit your digital consultants at www.yourdigitalconsultants.com, www.yourdigitalconsultants.com, w.yourdigitalconsultants.com, and check the description for all the links mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.